Hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Rater, the show where I show you what comes to my door and I see it first with you. So, I today have a package from the United States. This is from a buddy of mine named Artur, who repeatedly has been kind enough to send me stuff. Usually it's stuff from Ukraine, actually. And yeah, I'm guessing this is gonna be the same. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. Alright, we have 1 and 2. No freaking way. Whoa, let's look at this again. Oh, wow. Dude, thank you. Okay, can you guys see what this is? Can you guys even really realize what this is? Here, let me zoom in on it. Look at that. It's a banana. This has to be dessert ramen, and this I've never had before. Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh, dude. Cool, Ukrainian dessert ramen. How can you beat that? Wow, amazing, Artur. Thank you so much. This one looks to be like, it looks to be banana flavor. Those are bananas. Wow. Yeah, and I think that text right there, maybe it says banana. And then this one is, yeah, look at that. There's a strawberry on the package right freaking there. Wow. This is a score. These are gonna get fast-tracked like nothing else I've tried this year. This is so cool. Wow, well, yeah, thank you very much to Artur and family for shipping these along to me. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Stick around, take a look at one of these other videos. There's all sorts of neat stuff going on. Maybe I'll find something that's kind of interesting like this. I do have some weird stuff around here, so yeah. All right, have a good one and bye.